Hey there, pioneers! In this video, I'm going to show you how to make fiber mesh in Subnautica 2. Now, if you take a look into your fabricator, you can find fiber mesh under the Resources tab. This will require you to have two pieces of fiber, which you can make through the use of fibrous pulp and strong acid. The one that's going to be a bit tedious to collect is the strong acid itself, since this will require necrolyzed cyst. If you haven't found those necrolyzed cysts yet, we actually have a video solely dedicated to finding them, so I would recommend checking that out if you want to learn more. But in the case you won't, here's the short version of it right here. The life pod should be somewhere around 270 meters away from you due south, so just make your way straight north to this location where there's a wreck. And there's these flowers right here with a bud on top of it. Cut it using your multi-tool, and now you have the necroly for the strong acid. Now just go back to your fabricator and make your very own fiber mesh. And that's about it on how to make fiber mesh in Subnautica 2. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more quick dive guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.